So the sleeves of my cardigan are starting to fray a bit. It's 100% cotton. I'm thinking, well, do I get out a crochet hook and fix that? Or could I use the free arm of my machine? So I'm going to try out and see if I can secure this using the free arm. Let's see how we get on. So my guess is I'm going to use the stretch stitch. You can see sort of the blanket stitch there where I've selected it. Got maximum stitch width 4 there, and we're going to use that for now and see how we get on. So off we go. I have no idea how well this is going to work. I'm going to set the stitch length to the longest and put the modifier at the longest, and we'll see what this looks like. That's definitely over the edge. Gone around once. I think I'll shorten the stitch length. So put the modifier to smaller. Yeah, that's a lot closer now. And we'll go around one more time. Might be a bit too short because it's got the overcast foot on. So half length modifier rather than the whole length modifier. Capture those little threads there. I'm very happy with that. I think it's worked very well. So let's just pull the threads out, give it a snip. Okay, it's stretched it a bit. But I can live with that. So let's see if we can not stretch it this time. And let's see how we get on this time. Pull out the thread. Okay, perfect. All done. Let's see how this looks now. So, definitely there's lots of stitching, a few stray threads and stuff, but that's okay. What I might do is just go around once more on the lower level down, just in case any of the stitching here has undone, because you know what happens with knits, if you lose one string the whole thing goes. So I think it's probably a good idea just to do a simple zigzag. Maybe also use this multi-point type on one layer down, just to make sure we don't unravel. Fix that, but you don't need to watch that. You know how that works. You just do an extra level of stitching down and away you go. Anyway, bye for now.